It's a big size, guys. Second zip. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. So today I wanna share what is inside my double zip Chanel pouch while I'm traveling. So I bring my cosmetic pouch like this. It's a big size, guys, and it has a like this. It has a handle. Yeah, and it has a 2 zipper with the Chanel Beaute. I bought it separately. There's a seller in Shopee, and they sell this individually because I love the function of a double zipper pouch like this, and it's pretty, so I bought this pouch. What's inside my Chanel pouch bag? Okay, so first I bring this toothbrush cube. Yeah, but I use it as my brush, as my cosmetic brush. I bring it with me, and there's a Gucci mascara here, but this product is not oil proof or waterproof, yeah, because every time I wear this on my eyes, it left black mark under my eyes. So this Gucci mascara is not recommended. This is a local product. It's a second date brow. It's a very thin. See this? Yeah. With this bully too. Ta-da! Yeah. It's so cheap. And this is a local product of Indonesia, Guele for the eyeliner. Some of my other brush product. Oh yeah, this is the eyeliner of YSL too. This one also is not waterproof or oil proof for me. I don't know why, but my eyes is keep oiling. For a blend brush, yeah, this is Anastasia brush for eyebrow, and this is a Sigma series of a travel size. They are good. And here comes with the Real Technique. This is, I use it for a powder, and this one for my blush. This pink is from Real Technique, number 407 and 200. So I can put them all together in this place, and it keeps clean, and it keeps the shape. And also I bring some of this, the sponge like this. So after I use a foundation with this, and I can throw it away. Yeah, no need a lot of space, and no need to maintain the sponge. And I have some shower cap from my hotel before, the shower cap, and my medicine. And this is only the place of a Funkel, but I use it. This one is for a mineral water. I spray it on my face. Before I starting my skincare, I always use this. And let's continue with another zip in this side. From Charlotte Tilbury City. This is in the Instant Look in a Palette Stone Rose Beauty. And you guys can see here, it's a very beautiful color. Here has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's for eyeshadow. It's very beautiful, guys. And this one is for bronze. This one is for blush or cheek. And this one is for highlighter. But you can play with this color too for eyeshadow, of course. I used to apply this color, the pink and the light pink, to my blush. And this one also can be used also as an eyeshadow. So you can make it more useful for you, and you can play the eyeshadow color with you. And this one is for a highlighter. Yeah. And I have a Chanel powder. Yeah, I love it so much. What is it? The number 20. And this Mamonde Toner So after I spray this, I used to apply this on my face. And of course the Shiseido for curl mascara. I bring also this one with me, my hair tie. And this Anastasia Beverly Hills too is in a dark brown. It's empty, this part, but it has 3 pockets here. Yeah, starting from here I have a lip serum, another Mamonde Toner, and this one is Shiseido softener. Yeah, I put it on this travel size. Another cotton bud, Chanel Serum. This Estee Lauder. This one is only the packaging of Estee Lauder, but I used to put my Bobbie Brown in here. Bobbie Brown primer here. It's very recommended. And Sunblock, Shiseido. And this for eye serum from Shiseido, I put it in this SK2 travel size. To make it more compact, I bring this Lancome serum with me, Genefique. And this also, the cream of a Shiseido travel size. So mostly I bring a travel size with me. It doesn't need a lot of space for my cosmetic and skincare. This one is for my foundation, also travel size. This one is in the number 30, yeah, for the color. And this is a YSL Primer Blur. So this one is very recommended, guys. It's in the travel size, 10 milliliters. It's a very great item for you guys. As a primer, and it can make your skin looks glowing and very smooth. Yeah. And this one is a concealer. I put it also in a travel. So that's it, guys. There's a lot of things there, and all of these can fit inside this pouch. Love it so much. Here you go. Ta-da! Can fit a lot, right? Ta-da! Second zip. Wow, fits a lot. Great choice for traveling. Everything can fit inside. Ta-da! Awesome. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video can give you an inspiration if you are going to traveling. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.